There are many things I don't understand, and that seems reasonable, doesn't it? I'm a 14-year-old female teenager. I'm not expected to understand much. With that being said, here are some things I don't understand. My new science unit, I need that to pass, so. Why would you novel studies on the boring books? Why boomers refuse to believe in climate action? Why white male government officials feel the need to make laws about women's bodies? And why the people refuse to believe the evidence and the existence of Uyghurs in concentration camps. Here are some things I do understand. Harry Potter, the entire plot dissected down to detail. Climate change is inevitable. It's happening because our planet was mistreated in the past. Racism and reverse racism are still things until we accept them and agree to move past them. Men and women should be equal. And all the evidence from the Uyghurs in concentration camps are true, therefore confirming the existence of these concentration camps. I want to go in depth with one of my points today. Uyghurs. Uyghurs are an ethnic Turkic minority living in East Turkestan, on the map known as Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Now, something I don't understand about this topic is why those in power who know this is happening refuse to take action and put an end to this mass genocide. Now, my 14-year-old self has thought about this quite a bit, and I've come to the conclusion they're afraid. What could they be afraid of? China. China is such a big economical power in our society these days that having China as your enemy could be the downfall of your country. Now, how does China have such a big economical power? How do they mass produce so many products and still make such a high profit? Don't they need workers? They do. Those workers are Uyghurs. Simple Uyghurs from villages or simple lives have been taken out of their homes and forced to work in forced labor camps, also known as modern age slavery. Now, with this being said, here are some things I do understand. This is happening to the Uyghurs not only because of a rich land of coal, petrol, and many, many minerals, but because we're a flaw in their plan of world domination. Documents have been leaked proving this. China's Made in China 2025. This is what they meant. Another thing I understand, and some people have quite trouble understanding, which comes really shocking to me, is that what the Uyghurs have to suffer through in East Turkestan is a violation of their basic human rights. What the Uyghurs go through every single day are things we've seen in past society, not in our day and age today. I have a list of why you might be detained and put into a concentration camp. I would love to share that with you today. Being an Uyghur, speaking Uyghur, wearing Uyghur clothes, wearing a hijab, going to traditional events, going to religious events, all these things, or anything that goes against CCP's plan of Xi Jinping is God, you get put into a concentration camp. Now, the things I've listed today, the things that could get you detained and put to a concentration camp are outrageous. They're a mass genocide. China's goal is a cultural genocide. We must put an end to this atrocity and speak out.